What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Behind me, as you can see, is the all new Hooke Road Rear Bumper for the 2014 F-150. This is a steel constructed, pre-powder coated bumper. It does have built-in steps, additional lighting, and tow points, as well as mounts for your backup sensors. And don't worry, this bumper retains your factory tow hitch receiver. If you're interested in picking up this bumper for yourself, check the link below at HookeRoad.com. They have parts for trucks, Jeeps, and a whole lot more. Go check it out.